Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, we will try to learn about multiple function switch block. How we can use the multiple function switch in Siemens PLC logo. But before start this video, like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. Let's get started. First of all, we will open our Logo Soft Comfort software, and here you scroll down. After you can see this multiple function switch block, just click it on this one and drop it here. And second, we will take the two inputs and one output to test the logic. So as per seen, in this block have two properties. One is for pulse input and one is for reset. And this also we will connect the Q1. This block properties we can give the comment for input, and this we can give the comment for reset. Because of this function, this performed look like a sensor. Think about this is a I1 is your sensor which is placed it on the door of your building or your stairs, whatever where any this is sensor proximity, but any type of the signal means. Because of this trick needs one just signal needs here, and after this block will be start working. And this block properties we can give the comment for multiple function switch. Multiple function switch IOL, and this we can give the name as a comment lamp or light, and you can write. Okay, and this program we will download to the PLC. And if you don't have a PLC, don't worry, you can check your logic by the simulation. Click yes, and after we will test by the simulation. It's the same purpose. And if you test by online, you can click it here, online test. And if you like to be in simulation mode test, you can simulation mode. In simulation and online, what's the difference? There is a physical inputs and outputs which you can put and check. And in simulation, you can find the here buttons. This is the I1 button, this is the I2 button, and this is your Q1 output light button. When you make it on and off your signals, after you can find the signal here. Okay, now your program is in simulation mode, and we go to the block properties, and here in this properties you can see there is a two main parameters. One is for off delay time and second is for permanent light TL. Off delay time means when you like to start your signal, which time you set it here. For example, you set this time for 10 seconds. Your output will be, when you give the signal, your output will be on for 10 seconds. But in between this, how much seconds for you like to be permanent on, you if this signal will be holded for 5 seconds, 2 seconds, or how much time you like to set after this will be continuously on. So this is very interesting command. For example, this is 4 seconds. I give the signal at this I1, my output will be on. But after 10 seconds, which time we set here, 10 seconds after it will be stop. But in case of if the signal will be continuously for 4 seconds, we decided here for 4 seconds, if the signal will be continue for 4 seconds, your out will be permanently on. Even you make reset. Otherwise, it will be continuously on. So this is the benefit of this multiple function switch. You can design this program in the doors, stairs, and in for the saving the electricity, because of once you give the signal, it will be on by 10 seconds or 15, 20, how much you make it set here, it will be on. But if there is a, if sometime you like to be some have work, you enter the door and you have to be sensor fitted in your door upstairs, and this signal if maybe hold it for 4 seconds or 5 seconds which you time set, your output will be continuously on. And when you finish your work in your office or in your anywhere, after you going time, you can press the button and after your output will be on. As means you when you enter in your room, it will be automatically this sensor detects and give the signal, and it will be run. And as the 4 seconds or 5 seconds this sensor will be continuously activate, your output will be permanently on. And when you like to go back, you can press the button and you can stop your output. So let's test the logic. I will give the signal at I1. After you can see this output, I give the signal and you can see output is on and our time is started. But 4 seconds after, it will be it's continuously on. Once 1 second, we will check our block properties have some missings. Yeah, because of here as you can see, this is we decided for seconds, 10 seconds, and here we just not changes for the milliseconds. We have to be set for minutes. After this is 4 seconds will be applied. Click OK again, and again our test our logic. I will give the one signal, and after 10 seconds will be output our off. So this I signal give and remove. You can see your timer is running. When time will be completed after 10 seconds, your output will be on. But what's the benefit of this multifunction is what? For an example, this signal I will give and I will not remove for 4 seconds, this which we decided here. See, now 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 seconds I not removed. After you can see this output will be on, and it's now continuously on even though you not give the signal at I2. Otherwise, it will be continuously on. As I give the signal, after you will see your output is off. So this is the main benefit. And one more heavy setting inside this block. This is the optional if you like to set this one for pre-warning, otherwise it will be no work. This is the optional function. For an example, I will cancel this and uncheck mark this one, and here what he says, pre-warning time. For an example, I will give this pre-warning for 5 seconds, means this is our time is total is 10 seconds, and I want 5 seconds after warning this light is going to turn off, and after 1 second it will be again on, and after 10 seconds after completely off. No, let's check this also. Click OK, and after I will give the signal, and you can see your output is on, but it's 5 seconds after turn off, and again turn on for 1 second after, and after 10 seconds it will be continuously on. So let's one more time we'll be test this logic. For an example, I put it here for example 20 minutes 20 seconds, and after 12 seconds I want to be give the pre-warning. This is 4 seconds is our time for, this is for permanent, but this is for pre-warning. We have to be give the second for 12 seconds. How can 20 minus 12 is answer is 8, so we have to be put it for 8 seconds. After this 12 seconds it will be turn off, and again for example after 15 seconds we have to be again turn it on. So 8 plus 12, 12 plus 3 15 means here we have to be set for 3. When 3 seconds after 15 seconds it will be again on. Okay, and click it OK. And now see the function. I give the signal, now output is on. It will be 12 seconds after off, and after 15 seconds will be again on, and after 20 seconds will be again off. You can see this is 12 seconds after off, 15 seconds after on, and after 20 seconds when completed, after your output will be on. So this is the third function. And if you like to be hold this signal for 4 seconds, your output will be continuously on. See, I remove the signal. Now 4 seconds this signal is holded, and you can see your output is continuously on. Here also you can see. Even I not give the signal at I2. See, now our output is off. So hope guys you will be understand about this multiple function switch. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.